I have returned from my holidays at Blue Mountain. Did you miss me? Correct answer is yes. It was a great holiday, but while we were there, some idiot stuck their finger somewhere it wasn't supposed to go. Hello YouTubes, welcome to my August update. Lots to do the next coming months. So I'm going to walk through everything that needs done kind of immediately, especially with Bugsy, because we've got a huge show coming up in 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, and it has to be perfect for it. Before I start with the update, I do want to give a special thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Despite not uploading anything for like a month, you guys have still contributed towards the channel, which has helped me in a number of ways, which I will show you in a minute because I've got something that I really needed. So these guys here, love you to bits, thank you very much. And if you want to help support the channel and all these crazy projects that I'm working on, link in the description. Okay, what's first? Truck. As I mentioned in previous videos, I do have some rust repairs to do, but I made it worse on holiday by picking at it. And you know what? The thoughts behind this are, if I make it hideous, then I'm more likely to fix it soon. So I've worked out that I need to get 2 rockers, one for each side, although I might get away with just one because I can cut it a bit there. I don't need to go all the way up. And I need cab corners. And again, I don't need to use the whole cab corner. Cab corner starts about there and goes all the way up to here. And I'm not going to get access in there unless I remove the bed, which I don't really want to do. So that side's pretty bad. This side doesn't look quite so bad, but I've not picked at this yet. Let's pick at it now, see what's in there. Oh, geez, I should stop, make me stop. Okay, so that's pretty hideous as well. So again, cab corner, and as I say, half a panel, because all the way up there is okay, it's just bad from there. Okay, so I need 1 rocker panel, 2 cab corners. At the front of the truck, I definitely need to do something with the tracking down here. It's pulling a bit to the right and it just feels a wee bit wondery, so I need to jack up the front, get underneath and see what's loose. I've got a feeling it's just tie rod ends or something. Hopefully, maybe a bushing. This door lock needs fixed. Car's unlocked. It's not opening the door, so I need to get inside there. Again, I mentioned that before, just not got around to doing it yet. Apart from that, truck is running great. We're over 300,000 kilometers now, and hopefully another 300,000 to go. Doubt it, but as long as it lasts long enough for me to get an electric ram. Right, onto this. So immediate plans for the 7 project are some form of transmission mount there and rear diff mount down there. I'm not going to imagine that I can do everything at once, so let me get them done first. Meanwhile, I'll be saving up for some parts from Duncan at Ozcan Industries. I've already spoken to him and he's got some parts waiting for me, but I think he might be in Australia at the moment. So no rush, I need to save up some cash, but let me get the mounts done first. Okay, on to Bugsy. Bugsy needs a complete oil filter and spark plug change. I think I've got all the parts, so no big deal. Actually, no, I need to get some oil. He's not actually had an oil change in about 1.5 years, so that needs done. Front end, I still need to fix the tracking. Oh, one of these jobs that I said I would get round to, never get round to it yet. And I also want to add the little restrictor valve to the power steering, because as much as I love how easy it is to steer, I don't want to blow the seals in the power steering rack. On the inside, I do have a very annoying rattle coming from that corner there somewhere. And it does it all the time. It's very random all the time. It's like not just a vibration. So there's something loose that's hitting. I cannot find it. I need to get right underneath. Do that bent double over backwards thing lying under the steering wheel. And that'll be fun. Got to find that. And there's some little new rust spots I need to rub down. The last time I did the trunk lid, that's still looking really nice. with the new clear coat on it, so I need to get rid of bits like this because Bugsy is going to be the star of a show. And that show is the Cops and Rodders Car Show, Bayfront Park, Sunday 14th of August. All proceeds going to charity for Special Olympics. So I will be giving you more of an update closer to the time, but I need to get Bugsy ready for that. When I say star of the show, I don't quite know what that means. I'm meeting with the organiser next week, so we'll find out. And I'm going to kit Bugsy out in a special way just for the show, so stay tuned for that. Okay, parts that I got as soon as I got home, very important, I cannot proceed without it. And a very special thanks to Gary. Gary's Car Stuff, link up there, because he told me where to get a nice big bottle of welding gas. This is the bottle I've been using. This is actually argon, so that'll be getting used for the TIG welding. So I needed to get another bottle, but this bottle, which I think is maybe a 60 cubic feet bottle, is pretty small. I mean, that's only comes to just above my knee. It's pretty small. And it costs like $350 plus another 100 to fill it. Gary told me where to get this. 80 cubic feet bottle, 289 with tax, filled with CO2 argon mix. Absolutely ecstatic, and it's a brand new bottle. Brand new fitting, everything. And it will be an exchange thing for like $100. Much better value than that rubbish. So I wish I'd gone there first. I had to go a wee bit further, an extra 20 minutes drive down to Woodstock. Place is called Woodstock Hardware. I'll put a link in the description. I don't really think they've got much of a website, but certainly worth the trip down to get that bargain. I also had a visit from Alan at Hook's Hot Rods, link up there and description. Alan dropped by some goodies for me. Alan knew I was getting a new gas bottle, so Alan got me a brand new valvey thing, regulator. Perfect, and that obviously screws onto my new bottle, like so. So I need to get that plumbed in. He also brought me this box, and inside this box is a pretty much brand new paint spray kit. Fantastic. I'm not quite sure what the different guns are for, but I guess I'm going to have to learn, because I have got a lot to do, both on the new project, Bugsy, and the rust bucket over there. So excited to get started with that, and obviously huge thanks to Alan. Alan's been working very hard in his backyard preparing it for his daughter's wedding. That's going to be really nice. That's coming up very soon, so Alan's not doing a lot of car stuff at the moment, as you can imagine. Okay then, I have a lot to do. Where does one start? I think Bugsy. Bugsy is required very soon, so we need to get stuck into Bugsy. Okay folks, thanks you for watching this little update. I will get back to work very soon. I'm rejuvenated. Actually, I need a holiday after that holiday, but nah, let's get back to work. Take care everyone. See you on the road or at a show, or I don't know. Oh, almost forgot. Andy's doghouse sent me more stickers, so they need to go up on the wall. I just realised there's a note in the back. Hey Dave, thanks for all your support. Here are more stickers. That means they already sent me stickers. I need to dig them out. From my shop to yours, your friend Andy. They'll go on the board today. Right, take care. See you in the next one. Bye.